The Ford Escape is going away, so we're going to take a look at the best version of the Escape before it goes bye-bye. I'll include a link to the Sky Ford and Provo's website in the description down below. They're providing us with this Escape. I'll also include a link to my car buying guide. And by the way, if you have any questions, just ask for John Jenks. Let's get into it. Under the hood is a turbo 2-liter 4-cylinder that goes through an 8-speed. Fuel economy is 23 around town, 31 on the highway, with power outputs being 250 horsepower and then 280 pound-feet of torque, making this the most exciting engine. I'm trying to hit 500,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I'd really appreciate it if you'd help out with that. Really sharp body lines here on the hood, metallic gray for the coloration. I love the headlight design. You got fog lights down below and then the blacked out grille with some chrome trim and also parking sensors. Altogether, very sharp looking front end. Tire wheel setup is 225 by 55 by 19. You've got silver with the blacked out trim, and then you've got unpainted fender flares too. ST line badge. We've got the metallic gray for the mirror caps, and then also keyless entry. And here's your side profile. The wheels actually pop out quite a bit on this. When it comes to key fob features, we've got our lock and unlock, remote start. You've got the opening for the hatch, and then the Ford logo there on the back. Now, when it comes to the spare tire situation, just right underneath the load floor here in the rear. Now, with the seats folded down, you've got a pretty flat setup from the back, which does add to the practicality. And then the hatch itself is, of course, power, so just press that button. Look at the taillights there, and you can see the all-wheel drive badge. Everything's in chrome here in the back. That will cap things off for the exterior. This week's giveaway is all about muscle and luxury with two Cadillac V cars. The first of which is a CT5V Blackwing, and the second is an Escalade V. Both these have supercharged V8s producing nearly 700 horsepower each. They also have tons of luxury and modern technology to match. Not only can you win both of these cars, but part of the giveaway is also $73,000 in cash to help pay for the taxes, and your donations go to help children's and veterans charities. Use code VHC or click the link in the description down below or in the pinned comment. This will give you 4x bonus tickets on any donation, $25 or more. Let's now check out the interior. Soft touch there on the armrest. And then you guys can see here with the red stitching, you got the cloth inserts there in the center too. Legroom's pretty good here in the back. We do have some vents in the rear, USB ports, and then headroom in the Escape is also good. Keyless entry for up front. Let's pop in. Blind spot monitoring with the mirrors. We've got memory seats, little buttons for that, so you can see all the window controls, and then more soft touch here on the armrest area with the red stitching. Cloth trim there on the front seat, more red stitching. The seat is power adjustable with lumbar support. The passenger seat's just power adjustable. Now you've got nice perforated trim here on either side, red stitching in the center. Practical controls here on the front face for the center screen. You've got your adaptive cruise control, volume and voice command controls as well. Digital gauge cluster here in the center. You can change what is displayed. And Ford's UI in general is actually pretty darn good. Doesn't necessarily look the prettiest. I mean, I think it's fine, but it's easy to use. 360 camera system. You can see the little overhead view and good resolution on this big screen. And then as for the rest of the infotainment system, it's all screen. It does respond quickly, which is great. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got a kind of bar here at the bottom for the climate, dual zone climate with heated seats and heated steering wheel. But yeah, everything is built into the screen now. And then below that, we've got analog controls for the volume, the drive mode, defroster, auto stop start. That's for the camera shortcut, and then your engine stop start. Got some USB ports with a 12-volt phone charging pad, and then some cup holders here with the dial shifter, parking brake, and auto hold. Red stitching here in the center console. Good space overall. And then you've got nice kind of dark trim there on the dash. $38,660 for the MSRP. Let's see how this performs. Let's set off in the ST line with the 2.0 turbo, the bad boy, high performance Escape. So, see how things go. Let's see if they did it in this one. No, just still single pane. This one's a little bit more feature packed than the other Escape ST line that I just reviewed that was a hybrid, but it still just has the single pane glass. The one big thing that I noticed about this is the 360 camera and then the power seat for the passenger. Man, you know what? That hybrid was good, and this powertrain's good too with acceleration. Like, they both feel strong. decent suspension. I mean, this is a unibody crossover, right? There's another Escape. Hello, brother or sister. We're Escape friends. Man. But yeah, I mean, this is nice. The seats are comfortable too. So it's all a big plus. I wanted to get a little bit of a better acceleration than that, but raining, interesting. Here, we'll kind of try to go for another loop. It's a bit of traffic. Lots of stuff happening today. Lots of stuff happening today. I like the steering wheel too. It has a nice feel to it with the trim. It's a cyber yuck. I will never let that go, because I love that you know what, I think I made that up, because I haven't heard anyone else say it but me. Cyber yuck. Maybe someone else has said it, but I think I was the first person to say it. I'll take credit for it. I'm the most humble person you ever meet. So yeah, I mean, this is nice. It's smooth. It's pretty well insulated. It's got good power. So why would they get rid of the Escape? They're not selling all that well. I said it in another video. I said that they should get rid of the Escape, and so I'm actually glad that Ford took my advice. Again, I'm the most humble person you ever meet. Ford 100% watched my video on the Escape, and they said, you know what, that Ben Hardy guy's right. We're gonna take his advice. No, but seriously, the Bronco Sport's like the same vehicle, but it looks better, and it has, I don't know, kind of like a nicer interior layout because of the boxy design. And so I kind of said that, like, they should just go all in on the Bronco Sport, and it looks like they're going all in on the Bronco Sport. So I think it's a smart move by Ford, because I think that if they just put all of the time, effort, and energy into one car, they'll make it even better. And yeah, I think it'll just sell better, and streamlines production, right? So let me know your thoughts.